Okay, so today I will explain my mini project for the mission vision class, which is uh, race identification using the local binary pattern algorithm. Uh, so, as you may know, human faces provide a variety of demographic information such as gender, age, ethnicity, race, and etc. Uh, from the picture, we can see that someone's race is a fundamental attribute that cannot be easily masked like gender or age. So, in this program, the main purpose is not the main purpose, but one of the purpose or the advantage from this project will be one of them will be identifying the race of a person, and it may be helpful for surveillance systems to identify the appropriate emergency supporter. And knowing the race of a certain person would also narrow down the search space in a database, and it would simplify the process. In identifying someone's race, we obviously will we can use the face recognition method. So in computer science, face recognition is the task of recognizing a person based on its facial image. So its algorithm is responsible for finding characteristics which best describe the image. And in this case, for this program, it would be identifying someone's race based on their facial features and skin color and etc. And in this program, we will use the local binary pattern histogram algorithm. It is based on a local binary operator. It is widely used in facial recognition due to its computational simplicity and discriminative power. The dataset that we will use will be from the MR2, which I have insert the link. Um, so people belonging to different ethnic category will have uh, distinguished features, and for this program we will provide we will classify it into three different race, which is East Asian, African, and European. Uh, Now moving on to the program. Uh, we use Python here, and the libraries are CV2, OpenCV, OS, and NumPy. So we define a function for detecting face first. I use the Har cascade for face detection, and then next one is we define a function for training data. So as I said before, I provide a dataset from the MR2, which is a multiracial face database, including men and women from European, African, and East Asian. And in this function, we will try to train the photo. I mean the image, and for this one, we apply the face recognition, uh, the local binary pattern algorithm to recognize each different race from the dataset, and we define some functions to recognize each face. Now we will try to implement those codes. Now I've explained the code before. This is for training data, and then we will try and run the code. Okay, so as you can see, we are currently training the data. So here's the result. So the bounding box would be for detecting face, and this algorithm has recognized that this person probably belong to race European, and then this one has predicted it's African, and this one is East Asian. So it matches the from the data that we have trained. And yeah, I think that's it for the mini project. Thank you for your attention.